You don't even know. I think he got molested by Mello like 100 times last night.
Didn't know you could put a number on.
Well, you don't know Mello.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What the hell is that?
Mello. Yeah, that fellow teleported. Yeah, he gained the ability to teleport last week. Last week, Mello's Kanye West Amazing video had 1 million views and he got the power to teleport.
I just don't see how you're able to get teleporting out of that.
Yeah, neither do I. But apparently, Bo Burnham got super strength and the Numa Numa he got the power of invisibility. Anyway, he's pissing a lot of people off. He should have just stuck with that I love cookies skit.
I remember that video.
Don't encourage him.
You know, man, it's cool that he's got those kind of powers and all, but I've never really known him to be that kind of person with power like that. Yeah, well, I thought that too, but all he does is screw with people. Personally, I've never seen it, so Paul, I think I have to
Why are you doing